Hey wildlife enthusiasts, did you know that kangaroos can jump up to 3 times their own height? Absolutely. Kangaroos are indeed remarkable creatures. They are known for their powerful hind legs and long, strong tails, which they use for balance and support while hopping. Kangaroos can jump impressive distances, with their leaps sometimes reaching up to 25 feet in a single bound. This incredible ability helps them cover large distances quickly, which is essential for finding food and escaping predators in the vast Australian outback. Australia's unique wildlife is truly fascinating, and kangaroos are at the heart of this wonder. Here are some interesting facts about these iconic marsupials. Physical characteristics. Powerful hind legs. Kangaroos are known for their strong hind legs, which they use for jumping. These legs are incredibly muscular, allowing them to leap great distances and heights. Tail. Their long, strong tails provide balance when they hop and act as a support when they are standing still. Size. Kangaroos can vary significantly in size. The red kangaroo, the largest species, can grow up to 6 feet tall and weigh up to 200 pounds. Reproduction and development. Joeys. Female kangaroos give birth to tiny, underdeveloped young called joeys. After birth, the joey crawls into the mother's pouch, where it continues to grow and develop for several months. Pouch life. Joeys stay in the pouch for about 6 months, during which they nurse and develop. Even after leaving the pouch, they often return for comfort and feeding. Behavior and social structure. Mobs. Kangaroos are social animals that typically live in groups called mobs, which can range from a few individuals to over 100. Mobs provide safety in numbers and social interaction. Communication. Kangaroos communicate through a variety of sounds, such as clicks, clucks, and grunts. They also use body language, like thumping their tails on the ground, to signal danger. Habitat and diet. Habitat. Kangaroos are highly adaptable and can be found in a variety of environments across Australia, from forests and woodlands to grasslands and deserts. Diet. They are herbivores, primarily grazing on grasses and shrubs. They have chambered stomachs similar to cows, which helps them digest tough plant material. Conservation status. Population. While some kangaroo species are abundant and even considered pests in certain areas, others are threatened or endangered due to habitat loss and hunting. Kangaroos play a crucial role in their ecosystems and are a vital part of Australia's natural heritage. If you're interested in specific kangaroo species or have any particular questions, feel free to ask. Absolutely. While kangaroos are resilient and adaptive creatures, they do face significant threats from human activities and environmental changes. Here are some of the main challenges they encounter. Habitat loss. Urban development. As human populations grow, more land is being cleared for housing, agriculture, and infrastructure. This reduces the natural habitats available for kangaroos. Agriculture. Expansion of farmland and grazing land for livestock often leads to the destruction of native vegetation, which is crucial for kangaroo survival. Climate change. Extreme weather. Increasing temperatures and changing rainfall patterns can lead to droughts, reducing the availability of water and food resources for kangaroos. Bushfires, more frequent and intense bushfires, exacerbated by climate change, can devastate large areas of habitat, causing immediate harm to kangaroo populations and long-term impacts on their food supply. Human-wildlife conflict. Vehicle collisions. As kangaroos often graze near roads, they are at risk of being hit by vehicles, leading to injuries and fatalities. Hunting and culling. In some areas, kangaroos are culled to control their populations, especially where they are seen as a threat to agriculture. Illegal hunting also poses a threat. Conservation efforts. Protected areas. Establishing and maintaining national parks and wildlife reserves helps protect vital habitats for kangaroos and other native species. Wildlife corridors. Creating corridors that connect fragmented habitats allows kangaroos to move safely between areas, ensuring they have access to food and water. Community awareness. Educating the public about the importance of kangaroos and the threats they face can foster more support for conservation measures. Legislation. Enforcing laws that protect kangaroos from illegal hunting and habitat destruction is crucial for their survival. Research and monitoring. Scientific studies. Ongoing research helps us understand kangaroo behavior, ecology, and responses to environmental changes, informing better conservation strategies. Population monitoring. Keeping track of kangaroo populations and health helps identify when and where intervention is needed. By taking steps to mitigate these threats, we can help ensure that kangaroos continue to thrive in the wild. Conservation is a collective effort that requires the participation of governments, communities, and individuals alike. If you're interested in getting involved or learning more about specific conservation programs, I can provide additional information or resources. Now, let's take a closer look at the different species of kangaroos found in Australia. From the petite wallabies to the majestic red kangaroos, each species has its own unique characteristics, habitats, diets, and social structures. It's truly fascinating to see how these animals have adapted to their environment over time. And now, for a heartwarming moment that will melt your heart. Picture a mother kangaroo tenderly caring for her joey, showcasing the strong bond within kangaroo families. It's moments like these that remind us of the beauty and resilience of nature. In conclusion, it's crucial for us to prioritize conservation efforts to protect these iconic Australian animals. By raising awareness and promoting sustainable coexistence, we can ensure a brighter future for kangaroos and all wildlife. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more wildlife exploration videos. And we'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts on your favorite kangaroo species in the comments below. Together, let's appreciate and protect the incredible kangaroos that call Australia home.